Hello, my name is Corey Allred, and today I'll be giving you a glimpse at the easy-to-use functional interface of Rstudio. Rstudio is a free-to-download statistical processing software that makes data entry and processing painless. During this introduction to Rstudio, I will be explaining various functions and tools of Rstudio that makes it the leading software used by wildlife professionals. As you can see here, you can make a variety of figures, including box plots and scatter plots, to display your data as shown by these figures I generated myself. The first feature I'll demonstrate in Rstudio is setting a working directory. This can be done simply by selecting Session and then Working Directory and select your desired folder from there. This feature makes accessing and saving data easy, allowing the user to save data and access data all from a single folder, making data importation a click away. It is also important to add that all data in that folder is displayed over here in the Files tab. Another feature that makes this software user-friendly is the Saving Code setting. Through hitting this button at the top of the console, a user can save and rename their current code. This allows you to save your current code and access it later, making it possible to reuse the same code for similar data processing. Writing the code itself is really easy with code packages. Through selecting the Packages tab, the user has access to a wide variety of coding packages. This feature of Rstudio allows you to download packages for different statistical calculations, broadening the scope of calculations you can do. Including results into reports is easy with the Export Graph function. Found under the Plots tab, the user can save their created figures. This tab allows the user to save the created graphs as PDFs, JPEGs, or copy it to their clipboard, making inputting figures into reports seamless. This program eliminates coding frustrations with the Help tab. This function allows the user to look up different statistical tests, find the corresponding code with that test, and understand the significance for that test. This function makes it especially easy for beginners to get the hang of this program and research different codes they can use. Finally, repetitive data calculations are easy with the History tab. Through selecting the History tab, users can view, select, and transport old code into their console. The History tab is especially useful for the user to view past entries and move those codes back into the console to run it again, as shown here. Overall, these are just a few of the many functions and features of Rstudio that make it an ideal program for any wildlife professional to use. Rstudio has a multitude of features that make data entry, code input, and data exportation all completely seamless, making Rstudio the best data processing software out there.